Here is how the AutoLift smart flooding parking system works. Firstly, a car parks on the platform and the ultrasonic sensor detects its presence. When it starts raining and water begins to rise, the system gets activated. The water level sensor detects the rising flood water. If both the car is present and the water level is high, the system automatically lifts the platform to protect the vehicle. A buzzer is triggered to alert people nearby of the flood risk. At the same time, the system sends real-time updates to the owner phones, including rain detection, water level, and platform status. This is our raindrop sensor. It detects the presence of rain on the parking area surface. Now, we will slowly submerge the water level sensor to stimulate rising flood water. As the water level increases, the web app tells the user what is happening in real time. Since the level is now 951, which is high, the system automatically lifts the platform to protect the vehicle. We will now slowly take the water level sensor out of the water to stimulate the flood receding. The web app updates again, now showing the water level is low and the environment is safe. The platform now moved down, ready for normal use.